So in today's video, we're going to be talking about how Luke Belmar made me $650,000. And as you guys have probably seen all over YouTube, he's well known for escaping the Matrix. And you're also probably wondering, how is he making all this money and living this freedom lifestyle? And we're going to be talking about how he generated $16 million with dropshipping and how I use that same exact concept that he used to generate over $600,000 in revenue with one product in a relatively quick amount of time over the span of 6 months. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first off, we need to understand who Luke Belmar is and how he made his money and 40x his income by using dropshipping as a foundation. So as you guys can see, he has a pretty big resume in terms of the type of businesses that he's been in.
A little bit about myself. I've done multiple 8 figures in e-commerce and then rolled over basically every penny of my net worth into crypto in 2020. 40x my net worth, launched NFT projects. I made about 9 million with NFTs, flipping them and selling them. So that was a pretty good venture as well. Now just building a capital club, which is going to be the largest decentralized entrepreneur.
But what exactly made him stand out as a dropshipper compared to all the other sellers that failed dropshipping? So as you guys can see, he sold sanitary products for pets in 2020. And this was actually during the pandemic where everyone and their mom was trying to sell face masks. And the reason as to why he made so much money is because he had a different marketing angle.
People were selling masks for like $100, like just price gouging. It was disgusting.
If you had the supply, you just ripped
Correct. And what did I do? I was like, well, I'm not going to go against terms of service. I'll get all my ad accounts shut down. So what did I do? I thought. I was like, okay, maybe I can't sell it to people, but the fear and kind of the entire narrative is still in people's minds. Who else is in their home that they extremely love that isn't a person? They're pets. So I was like, okay, let me redesign sanitation and house cleaning products for pets. And I ran up the fucking craziest ads.
One extra little touch, one extra little niche.
The same products marketed to a different pocket, to a different audience.
And this is the #1 way that you guys can make money with dropshipping in 2023. And I'm gonna explain exactly how you guys can do this. So when you guys are utilizing a new marketing angle, all you're doing is finding a product that has been proven to sell. Then you're marketing it to a different niche of people that may need this product for the same solution or a different solution. And you guys can take this backcracker as an example. As you guys can see on TikTok, everyone is trying to sell this product the same exact way. It cracks your back, it gives you back pain relief. Everything is just back pain solutions. And there are so many dropshippers that try to sell this product, and when they try to sell it using the same exact marketing angle, they don't stand out and wonder why they don't get any types of sales. And you have to understand that this is because that you have no uniqueness with your store or your brand, so why would a customer buy your product? Especially if your ads are subpar, you have a subpar store, and your product isn't all that different. But there's actually one brand that did exactly what Luke Belmar did to generate a ton of money. And instead of reinventing the wheel, they adapted the same types of products to a different niche. And the brand that I'm talking about is Neck Recliner. They took that same exact back cracking product and utilized it to advertise to a niche of people that had a ton of neck pain. Like you guys can watch this Facebook ad video right here, and this actually unlocked a whole new niche of people for this product that made them millions of dollars. All they did was take a product that was already proven and using it for a different solution. And this new marketing angle for the back stretcher allowed them to, like Luke Belmar, is sell within a niche or sell a product that was already proven to sell well. All he did was adapt it to a different niche, like the pet niche, which is a super passionate niche with a wide market. And this same concept I've actually applied to a handful of my own stores. And by doing this, I was able to sell products that were seemingly saturated and be successful with them. And the first product that I'm going to be talking about is the neck massager that I sold back in 2020. And this product actually had a ton of competitors and they were all selling it the exact same way. It's something that massages your neck, it'll give you neck pain relief. And there was nothing that made these brands stand out whatsoever, and they were fighting over the same exact ad space. And so what I decided to do is split test this product. #1, I split tested it as a product that yes, it'll massage your neck, and secondly, also a product that will help you with migraine relief and also with tension headaches. This was also a solution that the product provided, but no one was emphasizing that. And then after advertising on Facebook for a couple of days, I started to realize that my ads that were marketed towards people with tension headaches and migraines were doing extremely better. And this is because I was marketing the product to a niche of people that haven't really seen this product before, store, and it made me stand out drastically. And so what I did is that I shifted my entire Shopify store to be marketed towards people with these types of headaches and migraines. And within the first month of advertising, I was able to hit around $24,000 in sales with around 15% in profit. And then the next month I brought in $22,000 with around the same profit margin. And then by combining this marketing angle with a one product store, I was able to establish an authority figure in the space. And to be honest with you, this product only sold well for like 2 months, mainly because I didn't realize what creative fatigue was at the time. So I wasn't actively selling new creatives, and I think there were a lot of other people trying to market the product the same exact way that I was. So I literally had a lot of people copying my store word for word using my logos and even completely ripping my videos, and I had to report a lot of different accounts. Now going on to my next store, and this is actually one of my biggest stores I've had. I did the exact same thing, used a different marketing angle, and I sold a product that was proven to sell. I just advertised it to a different niche of people. And this product was the 3-in-1 wireless charger. A lot of people actually sold products just like this, but the one that I sold specifically did well because it was very unique and it stood out, and people were like, oh yeah, this is just a wireless charger, 3-in-1 wireless charger, charge your phone fast, you can charge your AirPods, you can charge your Apple Watch. But I specifically advertised this product towards Apple users and then also people that were on the go and needed their devices charged quickly. And I mainly wanted the brand to be advertised towards people that were business people or entrepreneurs. And if you combine this with people that only use Apple devices, you're gonna be able to find customers that are willing to spend a ton of money on your products. Like people that usually have iPhones or have AirPods and then also Apple Watches, so they don't want to have to use all these different wires and stuff like that because it's going to be very inconvenient. And being able to charge all these devices at once was going to solve a big problem. And instead of being like all the other dropshippers out there that was trying to sell this charger as a device that you can use for Android and Apple users, I only sold it to Apple users. This basically cut my competition down in half, and I was actually able to capitalize on this niche of people without seeing that much competition. And I was actually targeting different interests that are related to Apple products and was able to get lower ad costs. And by establishing an authority figure in this space, I was able to sell the product for $100 when you can get it on Amazon for $30. And so this type of marketing angle made my brand stand out, and it generated $600,000 within 6 months or so, with around 14 to 15% profit margins, mainly because I spent a ton of money on Facebook ads and I was not good at monitoring my profit. And I spent way too much money on testing new ad creatives and ad angles. And one of the main reasons as to why I stopped selling this product was because it was more of a trending item. It's not really a necessary item to have. And on top of this, I got banned on Facebook, and when I got my account back, it simply did not sell well. But at the end of the day, I do blame myself for this because I didn't diversify on multiple platforms. But as you guys can see, Luke Belmar's strategy can be applied to a lot of different products. A lot of dropshippers, when they get in the space, they just try to copy everybody, copy what products you're selling, copy your ad creatives, but they don't understand that you have to stand out and find new ways to find proven products. But now you guys know you don't have to reinvent the wheel. You don't have to spend tons and tons of hours of doing product research. You just have to think outside of the box and of different features and solutions that proven products can also offer, and other niches of people that you can sell those products to. And this also makes sense in terms of a advertising platform. Like, why would you guys just want to dump a whole bunch of money that are targeting the same exact interests, same exact audiences? You're not going to be able to make any type of money. So when you can target these different niches of people, let's say on Facebook, they're not going to have that much competition. So with that being said, you guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video and know exactly what you guys need to do to be successful with dropshipping in 2023, because I'm telling you guys, if you follow these types of strategies, you can make a ton of money and build a long-term brand. And stop being like all the other dropshippers banging their head against a wall selling the same exact products using the same exact strategies, because you won't make any type of money. So be sure to subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.